Today I'm going to show you how to create a file share on an Apple Macintosh machine and how to open a file share on another Apple Macintosh machine. So to start with, let's show you how to create a share. We're going to go up to the left top corner here where the Apple is, click on the Apple and go to System Settings. We're going to click on the General tab here, and then there's a Sharing tab right here. We're going to click on that, and then up near the top of the sharing window here it says file sharing off. By default it's off, so we want to turn it on by clicking this. When you click this, it will probably ask you for the administrative password or the password for this machine that you're creating the share on. So then we're going to hit this icon right here. This is where the shared folders that are already created would be listed. Since there are none, it's blank, but it will list it as soon as we create one. So we're going to go to the little plus sign here, and it's taken us to the folder for this account. This account is called Dino, and so the folder's name is Dino, and here are all the folders under Dino. We can create a new folder here by clicking New Folder, but I've already created a folder called Shared Data that I want to share, so I'm going to click and select that and go Add. So now by default it sets us up our account so that we can read or write to it. So if we just want to connect from another computer to our computer and we're the only ones that need to connect to it, we can just leave it like this. And also anyone who's in the local staff or everyone group on this machine will have read-only access. So we could remove these groups, either or both of them, by just selecting them and clicking on minus, or we can change their permissions. You can also add another account, so you could create another account on this machine just for the purposes of moving things around, or to give the account to someone that needs to access a folder on this machine. So what we would do is we would hit plus here. I have another account on here called config, so I'm going to select that. Right now by default it's read-only, because generally when you share something you want somebody to be able to copy it and not necessarily write in that folder. So if we click on this, we can change it to read-write, or we could change it to write-only. Write-only would be if you wanted to create like a Dropbox, so somebody could give you a file but nobody else would be able to see that file once it was copied into there. So I'm going to change it to read-write, and then we're going to go done. And so that created the share. If we go back here under information, you'll see shared folders. It's listed as a shared folder there. So if we go back over here, and this is the Finder, and we're on the Macintosh hard drive on this machine. We go under Users, under Dino, you can see here are our folders. This is the shared folder right there. Now if we want to connect to another machine and access some shared folders, we can go click on Network, and you see there's a machine here called MacBook Pro. A couple other machines that are on this network that are sharing files, but MacBook Pro is the one that I set up for this demo. It's just an old MacBook Pro. If we click on this, it will say connecting, but because we have a different password on that machine than we do on this machine, we need to go over here and click on this button, Connect As. And I have the same account name, but it's a different account really, and it's a different password. So I'm going to enter the password in here. And you can click to remember the password in the keychain if you want. You can connect. And once you connect, you'll see it will show us all the folders that we have access to. Now, we have access to these folders by default because the Dino account on the other machine is kind of the admin account of this MacBook. So it gives us kind of the main folder right here that has all of our default folders in it. And our Documents folder, our Music folder, Downloads folder, and Desktop and all that. But it also has Dino's public folder. Dino's public folder is right here as well, and that's a folder that that's there by default so that you can have it so that you can make it so that anybody could read that and pull things down locally. And that would be for things that you wanted people to be able to access and read, and didn't need to be necessarily that secure. They're not really necessarily out on the web, depending on the way your network's set up, but they may be available locally at your house or locally in your business. So if it's like a form you want people to be able to access from your machine, you can do that. Typically, if it's a work environment, it's better just to put it on share on a server that an administrator is set up. This Macintosh hard drive thing is the actual entire hard drive of this laptop that I have set up. That's accessible because, once again, this is an administrator account, so it has access to the entire machine. So that's how you create a file share on Macintosh, and it's also how you access a file share on Macintosh. I'm Dean, and this has been Dino's Tech World, and I'll see you next time.